Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user onboarding with Intercom, complete guide step by step clearly. The first step is to log in to your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the Product Tours section. Click on the New Tour button to start creating your onboarding experience. Give your tour a descriptive title so users can easily identify its purpose. Next, select the target audience for your onboarding tour. You can customize this by choosing specific segments or user behaviors. Once your audience is set, it's time to create the actual content. Begin by adding a welcome screen that introduces users to your product. Keep the message friendly and informative, setting a positive tone. After the welcome screen, create steps that guide users through key features. Focus on functionality that will be most beneficial for first-time users. Use visuals like screenshots or videos to enhance understanding. For each step, consider including tooltips or highlights to draw attention. As you build your tour, incorporate interactive elements to engage users. Allow users to proceed at their own pace, reducing frustration. After adding all your tour steps, preview the entire onboarding flow. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview feedback. Once satisfied, publish your product tour to make it live. Now that your tour is live, track user engagement through Intercom analytics. Look for metrics such as completion rates and user feedback. Use this data to refine the onboarding experience over time. Regularly update the content to reflect new features or changes. Finally, consider integrating follow-up messages for users who complete the tour. This creates an additional touchpoint to enhance user engagement. Now you're equipped to automate user onboarding with Intercom effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.